go there. Let's go. You hold good. You steady. You see? Hold steady. Hold steady. You see also inside. Go take video of this cow. Let's go.
So stunning. Cow.
Where's the cow?
Maybe let's go there.
Let's go. Let's go with our Lolo.
Yep.
Slowly.
Oh. Where's Lola na?
See? Where's Lolo?
Yan.
Yeah. Where's baby Shanara?
Ayun oh.
Let's go near.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
But there's nothing now. There's nothing.
Nothing? No more?
Shanara.
There is still recording. Where's the small one? Let's see. Where's
It's
the small?
tago there. Taguing.
Tagwing?
It's in the back.
There's the other one.
That one.
See the baby. Baby Shanara. Baby Shanara. Hold it. It's still recording, but you cannot see.
Liga, hawakan mo.
Okay, let's go. We touch it.
Dito.
Hello.
Yun.
Touch.
May nakatagkawit tayo. Dati nakamamo.
Ne? Where's the baby? Let's go. Touch the baby.
Tato siya.
The baby.
Can you feed her?
Baby cow.
Can you feed her?
Can you feed?
You?
No, not this one. Only this. Oh. Let's go here. Oh.
Layuan mo yan. Baka kusayan ng kadya.
Here.
Yeah.
Hi. See here.
Halika, Shanara.
Ano ba?
Nakamamo nga ba? Kali.
Tae siya.
Tae.
Tayo niya.
Poop. Cow poop.
Tayo yung
See?
pan.
They don't need to go to bathroom. Huh?
Yes.
Only here outside. Nga.
Because she's too big. Big and small.
Big and small.
Bakit pa nga ka po nagdaklan?
Oh. Ito po ilang buwan na po ito? Taon na ho ba ito sa inyo?
Ito? Ito, may ano na, 10 taon na yan.
Dito po sa inyo? 10 years na? Oh, see, 10 years old.
Matanda na yan.
Adult.
You feed it.
What is that?
Mulang lang, punti lang.
Let's go. Put. Yes. Go feed the cow. Eat. More. How about this one? Throw this. Give it to her. Give it to her. No problem. Yes. Dirty already.
I want to give one.
Try.
1, 2, 3, go. What are you guys? No!
Let's go nearby. Hello, cow. How are you?
So too much.
Oh, too much eating.
How about here? Eat cow. Eat cow. Eat cow. Eat cow.
Ano po ito? Ano po ba to ng tubo? Tubo? Ano po ba to? Talahib lang? Ano po ito? Mais?
Talaga pang pataba ng baka ito.
Pang baka po ito.
Anong pangalan mga ito? Itatanim yung mga maraming baka.
Saan po kayo nagtatanim yan? Dito?
Oo, dyan. Marami akong tanim dyan. Kay mayor namin, daming ganito niya. Ang pag-harvest na, yung reaper, yung
Paper
pangpalay,
lang. Pangpalay na. Sa
Pati
sobrang
tapos,
dami.
gigilingin, pakain ng baka. Talaga pagpataban ng baka ito.
Hindi yan yung pangpagatas. Pampagatas din ho yan. O pampagatas din.
Para kuan.
Kaso wala man siyang dede. Wala siyang gatas. Liit ng dede niya.
Meron naman pero ano yan, ayaw niyang paduduin.
Ayun lang. Nasasaktan.
Oo,
Baka
siguro.
nasasaktan.
Dalawang kuan lang. Uy, pagkatapos, bigla lang ayaw nang paduduin. Yan, linagyan ko ng tali. Tali ako, yan, nakaganyan. Yan.
Kaya kakayang siya.
Napunit. So, with that lang. Is you counting?
Still counting. Still recording.
Ano ang pangalan nito naman? Kalibutan ko.
What's inside?
Tatlong pinanak ko na dito.
You give me more the hard one.
April yung isa, December yung pangalawa, ito June.
More.
No more. From there.
Ay June. Tanong ko bukas mga ito na naman.
Mabilis po tumubo yan. Mabilis po tumubo. Nag-uugat na siya.
Isang buwan kalahati lang, harvestin mo na.
Mabilis ano?
Yan oh. Wala pang 2 buwan, hinarvest ko na yung ano dyan. Paabot mo ng 2 buwan, ganito na ang buwan.
Yung tangkay niya.
Matigas na na. Dapat ganyan lang, harvestin mo para malambot.
Wait, there's a hard one.
Yeah, just put it there.
There's hard ones there. Deng. Deng.
Kita ko yung sakyan nyo, sino bang
Untog,
yan?
untog.
Bakit? Puti, yan?
Ay, sa tatay ko po yan.
Untog,
Yan po yung sakyan namin sa Maynila.
Yan ang
Yung- Yan po ginamit namin galing Maynila. Yan ang gamit namin galing Maynila.
Yan?
Yan po yung Innova.
Yung
Yung race, yung kulay pula, andun po nasa kanila.
Cow.
Ito muna kinamit namin kasi marami kaming karga.
You eat this.
Andun po sa ano.
This is vegetable.
Vegetable, grass.
Yes.
anong pangalan?
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Oh, that's grass. Grass for the cow, no?
No.
Grass.
Please eat it. Eat. Eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it. Hi.
Ito. Ito. Hawakan mo. Oh, yan. Bigay mo. Yan, do. Yan, kainin mo na yan. Ito. Ibibigay niya. Oh, yan.
Maybe
Okay.
he's going to eat my hand. Why? He's eating it all. He's eating it all.
Oh, ito na naman.
Another one.
Teka, pangit.
Yucky.
Oh, yan.
Hey.
Come on. Yan ah.
Nana.
Yan, kainin na yan.
Yummy. Look at her tub. Big.
See? She eat vegetable and then you don't. Huh? Now she's big. Because she eat vegetable.
Look at the baby here, so tiny. Her not eating vegetable. Where's that? Cow! Sige na! Cow! Cow, eat! Cow! Go eat! Sige pa ah.
Sige. Gusto niya.
Ayan.
Slowly, you give her slowly.
Cow! Cow.
Hey, slowly.
So you got her. Oh my gosh. He eats too much. Like,
Vegetable.
Kailan man nababalik mo?
Sa April pa po. April 23. Matagal pa po.
April, malayo.
Matagal pa. Dito muna kami.
Sandali lang na.
Dito
Kahit
po muna
yan,
kami.
first week ng April daw.
Ah, perfect po siya.
ah, tikot. Yan na. Yan na.
Sa
Di
po
pa
bang,
nauubos yan eh.
sa po bang bansa si Albert? Ano pong bansa na pupunta niya? Anong bansa po?
Ah,
Si Albert. Sang bansa?
punta siya ta, opisina da.
Hindi po. Pag lumabas po siya, pag nagbarko, saan siya pumupunta?
April daw, first week ng April. Dumating dito ng February 8.
February 8. Alas magdalawang buwan din po pala.
You
2 months.
got her.
2 buwan lang daw.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We go. Yan na ah. Wait lang. Ito. So put it there. Wait.
Ay,
Look at the tree. Look at the tree, Tito. Yeah?
Hmm.
I have to eat it.
Give it to her.
Give it.
Okay. Gi. Yeah, eat.
Because it's so dirty. Big cow here, eat. Don't eat big one. Cow. Here you go. Here.
hindi pa naubos yung binigay mo, bigyan mo na naman. Paubos mo ah.
Can you hold this?
Just throw it. Already dirty. No? She's not eating bread?
Is that bread?
Only grass.
Grass. That's only eating grass.
How about the small one? You see the small one?
Huwag mong hilain.
Can you hear that?
Dito, parang lumapit yan. Dito, parang lumapit.
No. Here?
Oh, lumapit na. Huwag mong galawin kasi ah.
Come there, up. Cow. Cow.
Mamaya, kainin pa yung binigay mo. Mamaya daw.
Ikaw, ubusan na yan.
Wala akong trabaho. Yan, nag-alaga ko ng baka na lang.
Basta may pumapasok. Basta may pumapasok na pera.
Ako, hindi na paalaga dyan.
Doon po sa taas, ilan pa po ang baka? Sa taas po, ilan pang baka sa tanap? Marami pa.
Apat lang baka ko doon eh. Binigay ko yung mga tao parang
Sa kanila na muna.
kasi payat mga dyan eh.
Paano po payat? Payat ang baka?
Mas maganda kung awak ng tao, mapaligo, gano'n.
Ay. Mas maganda may nag-aalaga. May nag-aalaga, mas maganda.
Nag-aanak niya sila. May anak.
Ikaw. Ikaw.
Ibaba mo kasi
Ito na.
Ayun yan.
Ayaw niyo na?
Tatlong buwan kumain na yan.
Yun po, ilan pong buwan na siya ngayon?
Isang buwan pa.
Isang buwan pa lang yan? Oh, malaki pa daw.
Sa 12 eh. February 12.
Here is good.
Kung tatlong
Baka
buwan,
ito muna
yan,
ito.
kumain na. Pwede nang patayin yung inan.
Hala,
Ito, pakatay ko.
pakatay nyo na to.
Mag-visit ako.
Ito muna. Ito.
Kung hindi ko talian yung paan niya, hindi naman makakanyan. Sampalin niya eh. Eh kung matamaan dito, patay.
Oh.
Meron na matay eh.
Amin namatay na.
Sinipan niya.
Ikaw.
Mamaya, mga alas 5, pagduduin ko naman. 4 na beses lang, dudo, isang araw. Kung magising ako ng umaga, alas 5, paduduin ko na.
Wala po ba tinitimpla na pwedeng ipainom? Walang tinitimpla na pwedeng ipainom? Talagang galing sa nanay?
Sa kabilang pasto, meron daw.
Ikaw. Ikaw oh. Ikaw.
Yung kinain niya. Naglingling itin na eh. Uy ka na. Paano mo yung pawis mo?
Dami mo siyang pawis? Tingin. Ay, pawis na pawis. Tara, kuha tayo ng ano dun. Tama na. Kuha tayo ng towel. Sige po, bye-bye. Let's go. Oh, you're not there. Here. Jump. Yeah. You have power or no? Let's go.
Yeah.
Mommy pet. Here. See?
Hi, Baby Bear.
What is that? Chicken?
No.
What's inside?
Why?
Snake?
Where are you going?
What's inside?
Nothing.
Are you going inside now?
Snake? What's inside?
Nothing.
What's
Nothing?
inside?
No, there should be
No,
something.
come on.
You want to go to the river?
No.
Why you don't want to go?
You go to the river.
Let's go to the river.
You join.
I want to
You
come.
go to Abuan.
Kano ba kadayo po yan? 15 minutes? 10 minutes?
No. Kaya niya. Malapit lang naman.
Oh, 10 minutes only.
Oo.
Hold. Hey,
You hold,
point the camera with
tight.
you. Okay, you say I'm vlogger. I'm
vlogger.
vlogging. Hello.
Say, hello.
Hello, mommy. Hello,
Welcome to
daddy.
my vlogger.
Okay.
Like that.
We will send to your daddy. Daddy, how are you? How is the bad guys there?
It's too counting.
Yeah, still counting, meaning it's recording. Daddy, how are you?
How are you, Daddy?
How many bad guys you catch today? Like that.
3.
3? You ask him, and then we'll send him the video.
Daddy, where's the bad guy?
The bad guy. Where's the bad guy? Show us the bad guy. The guy that you caught today. Maybe how many? What you think? 4. 4 bad guys. He catch today. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. So many bad guys in Manila.
Count this one. We're still counting. Yes.
Still counting, meaning it's still recording.
Hold this. Look, feed it to cow.
I will feed it to the dogs.
Okay.
Let's go.
Are you gonna?
Wait, can I put this in?
Yes. You wipe your hand before you hold that one. Are you gonna? Follow Tita Epa. You follow her. You follow him.
We went there to feed the cow. Huh? To feed the cow, you see? Huh? How about the dogs? Feed it to the dogs. Feed it to the dogs. Hello, dog. Hello, dog. Come and eat.
Say hi to dog.
Hello.
That's Polka.
Give it to the dog.
Polka.
See? Give the other one to the other dog. Give to the other dog.
That is, ang pangalan nito? Pangalan natin eh?
Brownie. See? Hello, Brownie. No. See? Give it. Give it.
Ay, ang galing niya.
See?
Ginanan niya yung...
He grab it. Hello.
Good.
Good dog. How about the black dog?
Kasi niya, nalimutan
See the
ko
black
na
dog, you
patay
did not
kasi-
give anything. And then he will be jealous. Go get another.
Kaya po, pagod na ang bata. Dali, tanggalin na